LARPing actually works. There's a concept in psychology called self-perception theory. It says you don't just act based on who you already are. Your brain actually figures out who you are by watching your own behavior, the same way it would judge a stranger. So if you keep acting like the version of you that already has it figured out, your brain doesn't just go along with it. It starts updating what it actually believes about you based on the evidence you keep giving it. Researchers have found this isn't just a mindset trick. Study after study shows behavior can shape identity, not just the other way around. Hold the posture of confidence long enough, and your brain slowly starts treating you like someone who actually has it. That's exactly what successful people were doing before they had any proof it would work. They weren't lying to anyone. They were just feeding their brain new evidence until it stopped seeing a difference. So the version of you